Dust and debris control is a total game changer when you're trying to keep your home clean during any remodeling or repair project. So, first off, always keep a spray bottle of water handy and lightly mist the area you're working on to keep dust from flying everywhere. Then, throw up some dust barriers or screens, like plastic sheeting taped up around the work zone, to stop dust from creeping into other rooms. Don't forget to use vacuum attachments on your power tools. They suck up a ton of the mess right at the source. Another trick is to seal vents and doorways with painter's tape and plastic to block dust from spreading through your HVAC system. After working, do a quick sweep or vacuum right away instead of waiting until later when it's all settled. Wearing a mask can save your lungs, and changing your clothes before moving around the house helps keep dust where it belongs. Lastly, give your floors a thorough mop after vacuuming for that extra clean finish. One of the biggest mistakes people make with dust and debris control is skipping the water spray. They think it's extra hassle, but it actually stops so much dust from getting airborne. Fix that by keeping a spray bottle right next to you. Another issue is forgetting to create proper dust barriers or screens, which lets dust spread all over your home. Just tape up plastic sheets around the work area and you're golden. Lastly, not using vacuum attachments on tools means dust just blows everywhere, so investing in those attachments is a total must for any project. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about managing dust and debris. Plus, it helps contractors find new jobs so they can keep doing what they do best without the stress.